What are you doing, Casey?
Making buns.
Making buns?
The plain ones.
A 2 and then 2 zeros.
Sit all down.
You start mixing it all up really carefully.
It's quite hard, Mum.
Is it?
Because it's filling out.
Just slow down a little bit then.
What's the bun?
Wow, good boy.
Can I put that one in the bin?
Yeah, if that my family put my photo album.
Yeah?
Well done, look away from it.
Now, sprinkle a bit of the flour and hold that over and just tap it with your other hand. Like this. That hand stays still.
Mum, can I slide this bit off?
Gentle.
I don't think we'll need to water our plants in the dishwasher.
Why?
I nearly said dishwasher, but it's because Daddy keeps sitting on the dishwasher.
What?
Make a sound.
I'm not.
Yes, do.
Right. What do we need to do now?
I don't think I'm nearly ready.
Oh, it's nearly good. I wonder if we've got any raisins. We could make buns with raisins. What are we going to have? 3 of each. 1, 2, 3. Count them.
But I don't want to.
Why not?
I don't want. You counted the one. I don't know how to get counting them.
3. I'm counting each of the colours to make sure we've got 3 of each colour.
Oh.
1, 2,
You could have.
3. And then should we put some dried fruit in?
Yeah.
Mix
And
it in.
they're even redness.
What do you think the redness is?
I think it's Wolverine.
I think it's cherries.
Oh, and Lloyd. Green. Need even more than that in that one.
Make sure Daddy knows what you're doing.
Dad, are you watching?
Yeah.
Daddy, and then you could do this with Daddy and Emily one day when Mummy's at work.
Yes, I can do it when Emily is older.
You're not old enough yet. Excuse me. Nobody wants to eat buns that you've been licking off the spoon. There. You got it?
Yep.
Now this is the bit where we have to be so careful.
I'm doing it all by my own, Dad. Dad! I thought I would fall in the oven.
Oh no, that should have put a bit less mixture in, I think.
Yeah, that is okay.
They'll just be, don't burn your nose on you. They'll just be really big.
Maybe we could take them out.
Right, do you want to just touch the handle and open the oven up? This end. Now stand back because it's hot in the oven, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stay stood back, don't touch this door. Do you think they're ready?
Yeah.
Scrumptious.
Mum, can you test them for me?
Yeah, they're ready.
So that I told you
How uneven.